Good morning to all. 7th Standard Biology Chapter 17 Forest over a Lifeline. Students, let's take your science book. Take a page number 206. Okay. Forest over Lifeline. Today our topic forest our wealth. Okay. In the ancient time, we used to live in forest. In ancient time, we live in forest. It met all our requirements for leading a normal life at that time. Nowadays, we live in a city and towns far off from forest. So, we really do not know the importance of forest in our life. It is a natural renewable resource, a habit to many forms of wildlife like bear, bison, jackal, deer, etc. Okay. Many trees like sal, teak, seemal, sesame, neem, palash, fig, amla, bamboo, kachanar and many other are also found in the forest. The forest also contain insects, butterflies, honeybees and birds which help in pollination in the flowering plants of the forest in pollination. Okay. So the forest is a dynamic living entity as it is full of life and vitality. Several trees, shrub, herb and grasses are found in a forest. Okay. It is the habitat for a large number of mammals, birds, reptiles, insects also. Animals such as boars, bison, jackal, elephant are living in forest, live in a deeper area of forest. Numerous insects, spider, beetle, ant, various other animals live in the bark of trees, plant leaves and on the forest floor, which is covered, the floor which is covered with decaying leaves. Forest help to purify air and reduce air pollution. Important one. Forest help to purify air and reduce air pollution. They regulate the climate and help in bringing rains. Trees in a forest prevent flood and maintain the water table. Roots of trees bind the soil and help rainwater to seep deep into the ground, thus replenishing groundwater and preventing soil erosion. Okay. Forests are the sources of medicine, timber and many other usefuls are found. Useful products are found in forest. Okay. A small activity. All are take a page number 208. In this activity, we observe and make a list of things which are made from materials obtained from the forest. Okay. First, you observe the things in your home. Okay. Look for things which are made from material obtained from the forest. List the name this. We listen. First, you take a wood. The wood made some furnitures, doors, window, etc. Table, chairs, etc. Okay. Then herb, medicine. For example, tulasi. Then wood pulp, paper. We made from paper, wood pulp. Then trees, fuel wood. அந்த காலத்தில் இப்போ தான் கேஸ் ஸ்டவ் எல்லாமே ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகிருக்கு. அப்போம்லாம் மரக்கட்டையை வச்சு தான் சமையல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ட்ரீ சாப், ரப்பர், gum resins. The product is rubber gum resins from tree sap. Okay. So many things used in our daily lives are obtained from forest. Okay, many things. Okay, then here next one activity, you observe and identify the various types of trees. Then yes, you are you are in your house where some the hibiscus are sharp, then amla trees are some neem trees are you seen, that is a big one. Then hibiscus, tulasi are sharp only, downwardsல மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும், அது நல்லா high level இருக்குது. So you observe, identify the various types of trees in your neighborhood, forest or park. There are various types of trees in forest and park such as neem, palash, fig, amla, bamboo. Okay, so we found a wide variety of trees with varying characters in the forest. Okay, then we use another one material activity. It observe only decaying matter is warm and moist. It gives warm and moist. First, you dig a small pit in a ground and put vegetable waste and leaves in it. Then you cover the pit with soil and pour some water over it. After 4 to 3 days, we remove the upper layer of the soil and observe. What do you see? The pit feels warm inside, a small simple warm inside. For what reason the warm inside it forms? The microbes are present. What is microbes? The bacteria, virus, fungus, these are microbes. The microbes are present in the pits. The organic matter present in the soil and produce heat as by-product. Okay, these are, it gives moist, warm and moist. Which one gives? The microbes. Okay, that is here 3 activities. Then we goes to a structure of forest. Okay, what is a structure of forest? You know that some trees are very high. Then next one other, then middle stage, then the sharp herbs are used. Okay, first one, the plants make different layers in the forest. You see the picture, different layers in the forest, which are described below. The first one, canopy. Okay, for the first one, canopy. What is a canopy? The root or cover for the roof or cover formed by the upper branches of trees in a forest is known as the overstory or canopy. The roof or cover formed by the upper branches of trees in a forest is known as the overstory of or canopy. Okay, so the uppermost branches and leaves of tail leaves which act as a roof over the forest ground is called canopy. It is the highest layer of the vegetation in the forest. It is the highest layer of the vegetation in the forest. The branch part of the tree above the stem is known as crown of the tree. Okay, then understory. The different horizontal layers are formed due to different types of crowns. In the forest is called understory. The constituents of understory can be described as follows: canopy, understory. The first layer is called canopy. Then the second one, understory. Okay. The top layer is constitute the giant or tall trees, followed by shrub and tall grasses. Shrub layer, it has mainly shrub and bushes of approximately 1 to 2 meters of height from the forest floor. Okay. It makes a dense layer at some places of forest where enough sunlight is present. Herb layer just below the shrub layer occurs to the herb layer of a forest. It is the lowest layer of the vegetation in the forest, having leafy plants. Most of the plant in herb layer have short lifespan. It have a short lifespan. Forest floor, the plant found here as small as mosses, liverworts, lichens. It has many kinds of insect worms, toadstools, etc. Most of the forest leaf is covered with dead and decaying plant matter and animals waste. Okay. Then component of forest. It a living organism found in the forest are plants, animal, decomposer and scavengers. The non-living environment of the forest provides nutrients, water and carbon dioxide for the growth of the plants. Okay. So we studied only the plants and their crown shapes, some crown shapes. Okay. Then we goes to some product, forest product. It gives honey, wooden statue and also gum. Okay, sealing wax. These are the forest product. Okay. Next class we detailed study the forest useful things. This forest useful provide many useful products. The various things which are obtained from the forest are called forest product. Okay. The various things which are obtained from the forest are called forest product. Forest give us a large number of useful products. Some of important products which we get from the forest are woody, honey, gum, sealing wax or lac, catechu, fruit, oil, spices, natural rubber, cork, dyes, medicinal plants and fodder for cattle. Perhaps the most important product obtained from forest is the wood, which is obtained by cutting down the forest trees. Okay. The wood obtained from forest is used for a large number of purposes in our day-to-day life. Okay. This is forest useful to many products. The forest provide many useful product. Okay. We take a page number 7.5 forest product. Okay. Next class we will meet forest flows, etc. Okay. Thank you.